Hi there. In this video we are going to be taking a look at this Crivit Mini Bike Pump. And this is mini, it's, I don't know, 20 centimeters. Normally I have about 22 centimeters from this finger to this finger. And it even has inside of it this little thing, which is quite interesting. So it has a hose in there, somehow stored inside. So let's open this thing up. Actually not quite. First I want to tell you that it fits these things: Schrader, Blitz Dunlop and Presta valves. So 3 types of valves, and this is the max pressure that you can create with it. Sturdy lightweight aluminum, 3 years warranty. This is from Lidl. Anyway, in here, removable pump hose, lightweight aluminum again, sturdy plastic mount, and loop fastener. Okay, yep, so it has this thing right here, and it has about 110 grams in weight, so it's quite light. And let's get it out of this box. Okay, so this little thing is out, and it actually has 185 millimeters, so below 19 centimeters, and it says it somewhere around here. I cannot see it. Yep, here. If you want to have the instructions, here they are. You can pause at any time. The idea is, it seems that these 2 screws are spaced in such a way that this thing can go in the same amount as your water bottle. Now I'm not actually sure if potentially you could still put the water bottle on top of this, maybe with some longer screws, but that's honestly up to you. I don't think that it shows that anywhere, so in theory you choose between water bottle or this pump, but depending on what water bottle you have, maybe you can fit both, that one on top of this one. So yeah, investigate about that first, don't take my word on it. Let's open this little thing up. As expected, the battery just died on my phone, so yeah, let's continue. Open this thing up, get it out of here, and let's extract the little pump itself. Can I do it with one hand? I don't think I can, which, if you think about it, it's actually a good thing, because that means that it's fairly safe in here. And it's out. And we have our little pump. If you need any info on it, camera, please focus. Focus camera. Oops, sorry about that. Come on. So it's a Crivit Air Compact. That's quite nice. And the nicest thing of all, and believe me, Lidl did not know how to show all that this little pump can do. It has seals on this end and on the other end. So let's undo them. And you have here a little thread. And here something shiny. Let's undo this shiny guy right here. As you can see, it is sealed, so it has an O-ring, so no water can get in its little hiding spot. And we have our hose here. One end, this end is for one type of vent, and for 2 other types we have this end right here. So you basically can screw this in depending on what you actually need to inflate. If you need these two ends, you screw the other one. If you need this one, you put it in reverse. So this is really clever how they did it. I don't think I can do this with one hand, or can I? I actually could. And again we have seals, so no air has any chance of escaping. You can hear it, hopefully. This is weird. Anyway, so let's go and inflate something, and you can see this is extremely thick because the hose gets inside of it. Let's put it to the test. Okay, so this is what I actually bought it for in my particular situation. It's the trolley for my daughter, and this is, yeah, it's underinflated heavily. And I kept using the pump from my car, the electric one, but it makes no sense. I needed something small, portable. So, and I think this is exactly the same size as the ones that we have on our cars. So let's install the little pump and see how it works. Needed to rotate this hose, obviously the other attachment was for this, and here we are actually putting pressure in, but this is so low that I can also do it directly with one hand, but obviously I will do it with both hands until I inflate it. So this seems to be working extremely well. The moment you start to tighten it, it acts onto the release valve, so you somehow pump really easily. You don't want to know how I managed to hold on to the phone while trying to show you how this works and how it sounds. It has a really smooth, you barely hear it, really smooth mechanism. You can hear the valve inside of it closing, but again a really nice sound, so you can honestly see it's good quality. And yes, it does what it says. This thing is tight. So it took me half a minute to inflate this. Yes, obviously on your bike it will take substantially longer, but yeah, in case of an emergency or something like that, or just for topping off, this thing is awesome to have. So yeah, that's about that. Just wanted to also show you that if you have accessories like these ones, these are from my pump from the car, you can use them for your bolts, for example, or this for inflatable beach thingies, and this is an adapter. Anyway, so yeah, that's that. Let's put this in here. And yes, obviously this thing has a seal right there. Come on. Okay, this is tight. We have a ball. Let's try and put that in there. As you can see, this is really soft, so let's inflate it. Again, really smooth action, but I need both hands to make sure I inflate this thing properly. And it's out, and this little guy is as tight as it should be, because this is my daughter's play ball. Look at it, it's warped in every possible direction, but now it's also a bit bouncy. So what can I say about this thing? Much better than expected. Punches way above its class, and I do recommend. Yeah, and it's a bit warm, little guy, it's a bit warm from the air pressure. Oh, how cute. I do recommend you get it for things like this, or your bicycle, just to have it around the house at least, if you don't install it. So that's about that. Hope this video helps you. In which case, please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye! And I don't think it even needs to be said, everything goes back together in compact mode once again.